Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how we can easily install the current Java version on Mac. Let's see. For that, first go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type Oracle Java and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. Click on it to open. Here is the official website. Okay, now download Java. To download it, click on it. Herein you can see Java 21 is visible. This is what we wanted. Go below. We want it for Mac, so I'll click here. Herein you need to go for the DMG package. Okay, go for the following 183 MB. Click on it to download. Click on it to download. Download started. Guys, we have successfully downloaded the DMG file. Right click and click open to begin installing Java. Minimize. Now here is the package. Double click on it. Now the installation will begin. Here it is. The installation started. Okay, click continue. Installation type, it will take 338 MB, which is fine. Click install. Enter the admin password. Click install software. Installation started. Java successfully installed. Click close. Now it is asking, do you want to keep the installer file? No. Click move to bin. Now let us verify the installation. Go to the Spotlight search here. Type terminal. Click on it to open. Now type the command java space -- version and press enter. This shows that we successfully installed Java 21.